Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to prepare chin chin, very soft chin chin for everyone. Like this video, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel. Turn to the notification bell to know when I upload another video. Thank you. So preparing this soft sweet chin chin, these are the recipes that I'm going to use. I'm going to use here, I have 2 kg of all-purpose flour. That is about 18 cups. 18 cups of all-purpose flour is here. And I'm going to be adding sugar. I'm going to add 500 grams of sugar. So I'll add it and mix it very well. Then I'll add baking powder. This is my baking powder. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So I'm going to add nutmeg. Is grounded nutmeg. You may add the seed one, but this one is already grounded. I'm adding 2 sachets to it. Then I'll mix it very well. Then I'll add milk flavor. I'll add milk flavor. That is milk flavor that I'm adding there. See how it is. Then I'll mix it very well. I'll add a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of salt that I'm going to add. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar, salt. Yes. Then I'll mix it very well. And I'm adding butter. I'm going to add 500 grams. Of water. Then I'll mix it very well. Combine them very well. Adding 1 egg. Adding milk. 1 tin of milk. After coupling it very well, as you can see now, I'll make a hole then add water. Then mix it. After mixing it, that's how it looks like. So we are going to cut it, then fry it with oil.